Hey guys, hope everyone having a great day today. Unless you are new to the channel, welcome and welcome everybody. Hope everyone having a great day today. So yeah, as you can see from the channel, this channel is all about the stock market, all about the stock, what is going on in the world, especially India and also the United States, the New York Stock Exchange, right? So hey guys, hope everyone having a great day today. Unless you're new to the channel, welcome and welcome everybody. Hope everyone having a great day today. So as you can see from the channel is all about the stock market, the stock market especially for the Indians, for the India, the stock market for the India, and the stock market for the New York Stock Exchange. So we bring a new topic every day, and we are going to talk about something new today, a new topic, a new company which is doing amazing and doing great in the stock market, and their shareholders are also amazing, and we do the predictions as well for that company, and we also have some news, the news, good news also from the stock market perspective. All right, so we're gonna talk about that company, but before that let me introduce my channel. So this channel, which is Stock Experts, as you can see from the channel's name, this is all about the stock market. Stock Experts, this means we have a proper team, right? We have a team for different departments. For example, I have mentioned a QR code later in the slides as well. Also in my previous videos you can go and have a look, and also the short reels which are made in Hindi language. So which one would you prefer, English or Hindi? It's all up to your suggestion. You can ask us in the comment section as well. So yeah, so as you can see from the channel's name, we have a proper team, we have different departments as I was talking about. Number one is the link is given for the WhatsApp, that is a customer support team. Other one is the team which are professional in the stock market. They have vast experience in the stock market, and they're keeping an eye on the stock market's MA parameters like the candle charts and etc. Right? So we have the conclusion. They work on these slides. They work on some topic. They work on something new which is going on in the stock market, and later on they created, like we created, a proper conclusion, a proper summary of that topic for that stock market, what is going on, which is beneficial for our viewers. All right, so this is all we do. And then as you can see, it's in Hindi, Urdu, English. We prefer these three languages. So which one would you prefer more? Is it Hindi, English, or Urdu? You can ask us in the top chat. Also, you can tell us through the comment section. Also, you can tell us through the, I would say, through the WhatsApp. The link is available from the description. As you can see that from the description, this is already mentioned. We are talking about what company, their achievements, and their progress. What are they launching recently? All about we are going to talk about today. All right, so please do subscribe the channel, and also it will be very grateful if you can like the video and share the video. Also the top chat, the comment section is very precious for us. From our perspective, you can suggest anything you want, you want to discuss anything you want, or you need any suggestion from our side. All right, or you like you have any experience faced regarding to the stock market, anything. All right, you can ask us, you can tell us in the top the top chat, and in the comment section we can discuss in detail. And for the customer support, like the QR code of the WhatsApp is given. If you have any question, if you want to learn something, for example the parameters, how they work, or for example the candlestick charts, or for example, you're facing something in the stock market and you want to learn something, need some suggestion, you can ask us through the WhatsApp, and we will give you assistance free of cost, right? It is 100% free, so we will guide you properly, truly from the process, and we will try to give you all the solutions possible in a positive way. That will be all our suggestions, and everything is up to you. You want to implement or not, that's all will be completely depends on you. All right, so this is all about the introduction of this stock experts, which is a new channel, like it's almost more than a month now. And there's a curious question, like what is our earnings, like we are everything providing free of cost. We come every day and giving you the presentations, also created some very important videos as well on this channel. You can go and have a look regarding from the topic you want. All right, also the reels which are made in Hindi language, and some important topics I discussed in the reels as well. So the main source is the YouTube, but still it's a new channel. We need subscribers, we need viewers, likes, and everything. The criteria of the YouTube we need to fulfill, and after that we will be able to maybe, I guess, monetize or something, but that is way too long. So right now we have nothing to achieve, but we are trying our best and give our best of the best to provide you, to assist you everything regarding to the stock market. So today I'm going to give you another topic, so we will discuss later in detail. So before that, we have some news. Let's discuss that one as well, right? So yeah, this is the news I'm going to discuss with you. Let me just bring it somewhere else so that we can talk wisely. Let me see where I should put it. I think this would be fine. Oh yeah, I think that's fine. All right. So here you go. Let's get started. Hey guys, so Meta announces the launch of AR VR social horizon words to all the quest markets worldwide. About the company, which is Meta and the Nasdaq, I would say the code in the stock market is MATA, Meta. All right, so this is Meta, which has announces AR VR social. All right, so this one, what is AR VR? I think you all have already known this, but still I will explain you a little bit. So Meta's Metaverse social platform Horizon Worlds recently announces its official launch of all markets that will support Quest. All right, so let's talk about the company. What is this company and what they really do? A short introduction so that it will be very like clear out, so that we can understand it easily. So the Meta Platforms was registered in the USA in July 2004 and is the world's largest social networking website. The company provides various tools that enable users to connect, share, explore, and communicate with each other on mobile devices and computers as well. So this is the social networking website, and they are going to provide a new product, launching a new product to worldwide, which is AR VR social, right? So let's read out for a while. So Horizon Worlds allows you to easily meet friends or meet new ones. Once inside, you can join the party and chat while exploring the unique worlds in Horizon Plaza. You can also navigate the menu, search for published words by name, and explore adventures in a brand new spaces. However, the metaverse social platform has always been limited to selected countries and regions such as the United States, Canada, France, Iceland, Ireland, Spain, and United Kingdom. But Meta recently announced that starting this week, 2024, which is today is July 2nd, and the first week the platform will begin to open to all the markets that allow the sale of Quest, including Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Iceland, Ireland, Taiwan, Italy, Japan, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Sweden, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom, and the United States, of course. Users must be at least 13 years old. In addition, Horizon World Sports, the South Korea, and Spain, and local users must be at least 14 years old. It is worth mentioning that Horizon OS begins to support third-party vendors. Horizon Words will also soon incorporate support for third-party headsets. All right. So this was the news. Like, they were limited to some countries, but right now they are almost covering all the regions, and they are covering many countries, so it will be available for them as well. So this is an amazing news, I would say, because most of the people, they want to use this, utilize this, but they were unable to, they don't have the access. But right now you will have the access. So this is the news we have talked about, which is a Meta announces launch of the AR/VR social horizon words to all the Quest markets. This is all about today, and you can text me on WhatsApp. So text on WhatsApp is our customer support team, which is professional 24/7. You can ask anything, and we will provide you the assistance with the 100% assurance. All right, and it is free of cost. So thank you so much for your time, and this was all about the Meta AR social. All right, so this is all about, we have talked for this Meta AR social. Also, we have talked about this company, which is an American company and based in 2002 and was established or registered in 2004. So this is their news. Like, they have announced this social platform recently, and they are going to launch in all other markets as well. So as you can see, this is the background of this one of the like their social, you can say a movie or something they launch is a kind of reference, right? So let's talk about the other one later. We are going to discuss a daily chart of this company. So let's talk about that daily chart as well. So we're gonna, that is our suggestion. We're gonna see like how it is work and what is this about. All right. So let's have a look. All right. So this is the chart, as you can see here. Let me just drag it somewhere. All right, I think this is okay. I think this is fine. Let's get to this one as well. Daily chart structure analysis on Meta, the Nasdaq. The code of this company is MATA in the stock market. As you can see on this graph is given here, Meta Platforms, and the code is META. So today we're gonna talk about these companies daily chart structure. So before that, let's discuss about this company. Like, what is this company, what they usually do for, let's have a short introduction of this company, and later we're gonna talk about this chart. Right. So Meta Platforms was registered in USA in July 2004, which is established in 2004, and it is the world largest social and networking website. All right. So the companies, it provides various tools that enable users to connect, share, explore, and communicate with each other on mobile devices and computers. So this is a huge like world largest social networking website. All right, so this is all about the introduction of this company. Now we discuss about this daily chart structure. So this is the daily chart structure, which is conclude or summarized by our professional team, which keep an eye 24/7 on the graphs, on the parameters, on the candlestick charts, and give you assistance and give you a helping hand to suggest you where you can make a profit. So this is all about the daily chart. Let's have a look on this chart. As you can see here, the 170 days of MA, the line is going here. So the support line formed by the 170 days MA wave peak is this one. As you can say, the line in red and the line in the slope, the red slope here, 170 days MA. All right, and in the purple you can see that 34 days MA. MA is a parameter. All right, so the supportive lines formed by 34 days, as you can see, this purple one, MA wave peaks, 34 days MA parameters. All right, so on the daily chart there is a strong support from 170 days of MA parameters, and the overall stock price is slowly rising upward, as you can see here. So at the present there are several strong supportive lines. The support line formed by 170 days MA wave peak, 170 days MA sportive line formed by 34 days wave peaks, which is 34 days MA. So the buying point is the main point. Buying point we suggest to you is you can buy near the support line formed by the 34 days MA peak and near to the 34 days MA peak. This is all about the suggestion from our team. So it's all 100% up to you whether you want to implement this suggestion or not. All right, it's all 100% up to you. Our work is just to give you suggestion, to try our best to give you some buying points so that you can make profits. All right, so here meanwhile there's also a QR code of the WhatsApp is given here, available here. So you can text me on WhatsApp. So this is the proper customer support team. They will assist you if you want to learn about the charts, how they usually work, the weekly charts or daily charts, or parameters, how they usually work, and what is your suggestion. Also, what suggestion you need from us, and what profit you're looking for, which kind of company you want to work on, you want to buy the price or the points. All right, this is all about ups to you. All right, so this is all about today, and as you can see here, the graph was mentioned. It was all about the daily chart structure analysis on the Meta company, all right, which is a largest social media networking website. All right, this is all about today, and moreover the description you can read the description as well, and the the link of the WhatsApp is also available. So thank you so much for your time. Okay, so this is the daily chart we have talked about, and the daily charts, our suggestions as well, and the buying point we also mentioned you, like you can buy near the sportive line, which is formed by 34 days MA peak and near to the 34 days MA peak. All right. So this is the suggestion we have given you, and as you can see in the purple here, here in the purple, the sportive lines formed by 34 days, a wave peak, as you can see here. All right, so this is in purple, and in the slope in the red is given here, which is 170 days MA, right? So the support line formed by 170 days MA wave is on peak, all right, which is 342.08 or zero 06 peak, as you can see here. And on the daily chart, there's a strong support from 170 days of MA, and the overall stock price is slowly rising upward. Right? This is the suggestion from our side. If you want to implement, that's all 100% ups to you. Okay. So hope so you like this suggestion. And by the way, if you have any suggestion from your side, if you know more about this, or if you have some other tactics, other methods you are implementing, you can tell us in the top chat in the comment section, so that it will be very beneficial for the other viewers. They can also find other ways, other methods, right? This is all we have learned about the daily chart structure. So I think this is it was great, I would say. And if you implement this, it's all up to you. I think you can know that it's beneficial for you or not. It's all up to you, right? This is all we have, the suggestions from our side. So let's get to the other work, to the main work. Today we're going to talk about this company, which is AI injection, Meta. All right. So is Meta sure? So let's further explore this and elaborate this in detail. So first we talk about the catalogs here. As you can see here, as usual, as always, as you can see here, the catalogs. Number one is the company's profile. What is Meta company? What they really do? What is, when it is established? When it is, like, what is their products and what is their achievements? What is their history? What is their future plans? What is their achievement in the stock market? What are their shareholders? And everything in company's profile, right? And the company analysis, we will try to figure out, we will try to analyze the company, the have a look at the analysis as well. All right. So technically and financially, we're gonna have a look from the technical perspective and from the finance perspective, and analyze this company's progress as well. Okay, and in the end, as you can see, the summary, we will try to summarize this, wind up in the end, and make details of this company, what we have talked about, what we have learned about this company and their shareholders, and the weekly charts as well. We're gonna have a look later in detail, all right, about the parameters we will also talk about, and their losses, their profits, their ups and downs, everything we're gonna summarize in the end. So let's get to the part. Let's talk about the company's profile. Right, as you can see in the background picture, this is how it is looks like. The sign is kind the infinity, right? The sign is looks like infinite, right? The infinite value, that kind of sign. So it is easier. So actually the sign is infinite, looks like infinite, but it is actually is a glasses, a sunglasses, you can say that, or normal glasses, to wearable the glasses, the sunglasses, you can say that. This is how it looks like. All right, so this is the company's, one of the company's building, as you can see here is written here, Meta. All right, so let's read out for the company's profile. So Meta Platforms was registered in USA in July 2004, and it is the world's largest social networking website. The companies provide various tools that enable users to connect, share, explore, and communicate with each other on other mobile devices and computers. Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook, was founded on February 4, 2004. It is headquartered in Menlo Park, California, USA. So the company's main products include social media platform, Facebook, image sharing application, Instagram, etc. So this is the formal Facebook company as well. They are one of the finest, one of the famous products are Facebook, Instagram, and the related social networks, right? In addition, the Meta is also committed to researching fields such as artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, and developing corresponding products. Right? So, for example, Meta has released the Oculus Rift, a head-mounted display based on virtual reality technology, and plans to further expand its application in the field of virtual reality. From this point of view, the virtual product or the virtual reality or the virtual technology, Apple has also launched the same thing, the VR AR virtual glasses, as you have remembered. All right, so they have also launched the same thing. So this is Meta. This is the company, which is an American company, a Californian company, and furthermore, the main interesting part was like they are the owner of the main products like the Facebook or the image sharing applications, Instagram, and etc, etc. So this is the company of this Meta platform. Introduction, a little introduction. So let's talk about the company's analysis as well. We will try to analyze this company. So let's talk about the company analysis. All right. All right, so this is the company analysis, as you can see in the figure as well. Okay, so yeah, as you can see from this company, so the company MetaQuest 3 sales exceeded millions. This is the news, and the news, as you can see here. So the MetaQuest 3 sales exceeded 3 millions, all right, in millions, right? So the sales of MetaQuest 3 headsets, as you can see in the picture is given as the Meta set, which is wearable, you wear on in front of your eyes, and it is visual, same as the Apple also have launched this, and also other Chinese products. They have also launched this virtual product. As you can see in the photo, this is virtually wearable, and there are a lot of companies like the Apple. They have also launched this, and this Meta company, they have also launched this product, and the other Chinese companies also, they have launched this product as well. So the sales of Meta's latest hybrid reality headsets Quest 3 seems to have exceeded the millions mark based on the number of people who have completed the pre-installed game First Encounters for Quest 3. Their game, which is pre-installed already, which is First Encounters. According to the Meta internal roadmap leaked to The Verge in the March last year, 2023, Mark Repkin, vice president of the Meta VR, stated that the company has sold nearly 20 million Quest headsets. 3 months later, another leaked internal meeting revealed that the Zuckerberg, who is the owner of Facebook, told employees that the Quest series has sold millions of units in July 2021, which was previously. So Meta's chief technology officer Andrew Borsworth stated that the sales of Quest 2 had exceeded the sum of all its predecessors, which also means as of last summer, the vast majority of these 20 million Quest handsets were Quest 2. All right. Quest 2 is a product, Quest 3 is also a product. The new product is Quest 3. All right. In contrast, the current sales of Quest 3 sorry, which was launched 8 months ago, have only exceeded 1 million units, for inferior to the sales accumulated by Quest 2 over the past 3 years. However, the gap is also expected. All right. So the price of the Quest 2 is $100 cheaper than the previous generation products, and the company's previous generation product was immediately discontinued after the release of Quest 2. And Quest 3 is $200 more expensive than Quest 2, and the Quest 2 continues to sell at a lower price. Since March this year, 2024, the selling price of Quest 2 has been lowered to $200, while Quest 3 has remained at least 500 US. And the sales data on the Amazon platform also shows that the Quest 2 is still more popular than Quest 3 because it is cheaper, and VR developers have informed Upload VR that most of their new users are still using Quest 2. The reason behind it is cheaper, $200 cheaper than Quest 3, but Quest 3 is a new feature, is a new technology. They have some new features in it, but still people are preferring Quest 2, but maybe they don't have a lot of difference between Quest 1, Quest 2, and Quest 3. Obviously, Quest 1 have the difference, but Quest 2 and 3 maybe don't have too much differences. Let me give you a real example. For example, as you know, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 14, they don't have too much like they don't have that much difference. So most of the people like me also we still prefer 14 Pro Max rather than 15 Pro Max because it's cheaper. I mean, a few pennies cheaper than the 15 Pro Max. So this is all about. Let's talk about the other one, how it is exceeded. Let's have a look at this one as well. So the sales of the Meta Quest 3 headsets have been exposed, breaking the million market. However, Meta seems to be aware of the pricing issues and is developing strategies to address it. Over the past 16 months, there has been ample evidence that Meta is preparing to launch a cheaper alternative than the Quest 3 to replace Quest 2. The roadmap leaked in March this year mentioned this cheap headset, and at the end of the last month, the official store also lists the product information of Meta Quest 3S, which had previously appeared in files suspected of leaking the headset design. At the beginning of this month, Meta's chief technology officer unexpectedly revealed a device that appeared to be a new head display in a video. If the rumors are true and the price of the Quest 3 is controlled around $300 while retaining the Snapdragon XR2 Generation 2 chip and hybrid reality functionality, the sales of this headset may far exceed that of the Quest 3. However, expanding the hybrid reality market and providing developers with a more powerful development platform than the Quest 2. So this is all the difference between Quest 2 and Quest 3. All right. So let's talk about their smart glasses. They have also launched these smart glasses, and we can have a look and read about this. So the smart glasses sales exceed expectations. The testing AI sweetness meta recombinant reality labs. Okay, so these are the glasses as you can see in the photo, which is Ray-Ban stories, right? So recently Meta announced a major restructuring of Reality Labs, which is responsible for the metaverse and virtual reality businesses by splitting into two departments, the metaverse and wearable devices businesses. The future plan is also divided into two parts. Number one, the Metaverse department focuses on developing the Quest series of head-mounted VR products, while the wearable devices department will focus on intelligent glasses products. The adjusted Meta has increased the weight of wearable devices in its internal business. CTO Andrew Borsworth emphasized that the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, as you can see in this photo, in this picture, the increased the weight of wearable devices in its internal businesses. CTO, the Andrew Borsworth, he again emphasizes the The smart glasses launched by Meta have received a warm response in the market and have been much more successful than they have expected. All right. So the sales of these smart glasses showed Meta the added value of AI has brought to XR hardware. After testing the sweetness, Meta quickly incorporated into the establishment of reality labs and hoping to reverse the department's loss. All right, making situations with the development of new AI hardware. So the Zuckerberg, who is the owner of this company and also the owner of the famous Facebook, stated that the vision of the metaverse is too broad and has expected Reality Labs to achieve profitability by 2030. Currently, the presence of the department seems as long-term investment in future planning. Nowadays, wearable devices have been added to Reality Labs as a new business, largely due to the potential profit points released by the AI intelligence hardware. So the both was revealed in a memo that the Ray-Ban, which you can see in the photo, smart glasses market launch by Meta has received a warm response, much more successful than they expected. This means the revenue brought by this new hardware can directly narrow the losses of Reality Labs, right? So it will cover their losses. So they were never expected that these Ray-Ban glasses will be amazing for their company's perspective. All right. So let's see their huge upward potential. Which one is that? All right. So Meta has started well this year, which is 2024, continuing the momentum of the last year. Last year, they also were doing great in 2023, and they are keeping the momentum same. The social networking giant is also known for its comprehensive application portfolio, including the famous Facebook and Instagram, and has been making comprehensive efforts, boldly taking measures to integrate artificial intelligence into its applications to increase engagement and profit from a billion of users. So billions of users are having this product, all right, and taking advantage of this. The Ray-Ban glasses, they are not too expensive. Also, they have an amazing features as well. So the stock has risen over 47% this year, 2024, far exceeded the 16% increase of the NasdaqGS 100 index. The company utilizes artificial intelligence to support its core advertising business, resulting in impressive strong growth performance that closely aligns with the market performance. By the end of 2024, Meta may reach an optimistic level of $655. Meanwhile, by 2024, its average price may reach $565 US. All right. So the downside is that by the end of this year, which is 2024, it may remain pessimistic and stable at around $460 US. These price targets stem from the general trend of the short-term stock prices. All right. So what is the short term? I have also mentioned many times in my previous videos. So you can have a look on those videos. Also in my, I will upload another video which is a daily chart, short chart, which is included in the short term stock prices. You can also have a look. I will upload it in the later. So their potential, let's carry on. As you can see from the daily family daily active people, DAP, which is daily active people, is increasing. As you can see here, is continuously increasing and it is very stable, right? So although Meta has no longer reports daily and monthly active users of its flagship application Facebook, it is evident that more and more people are using it. The daily active household users of this application increased by 7%, reaching 3.24 billion, maintaining its growth momentum and enabling the company to continue attracting advertising revenue as marketers have been searching for a large user base. This is their DAP, which is the abbreviation is daily active people. As you can see here, it is very stable and increasing. It started from 2.87 to increased up to 3.24, which increased by 7%, reaching 3.24 billion. This is amazing. This is great, their progress. All right. So let's see their other potential. The per capita household income ARPP generated by Meta decreased by 9% months on months, with a first quarter 2024 income of 36.46 US billion dollars. In contrast, due to the increase of advertising, the company generated higher ARPP in the fourth quarter with a revenue of 40.11 billion US dollars. However, the per capita income in the first quarter still increased by 18% year on year, highlighting how effective Meta is monetizing its large user base and enabling to generate more income from each other. Another indicator of Meta's remarkable progress is advertising business, which is a 20% year on year increase in advertising display on FOA. All right, so what is FOA? I have also make a short reel on FOA, so you can have a look at my reels. In the reel in my channel there is mentioned of FOA, so you can learn in detail. So mainly driven by the Asia Pacific region and other regions of the world, especially the the Asia Pacific region was one of the best performing regions in the first quarter 2024, and its advertising display volume increased by 28% year on year, for higher than the growth rates of 16% in North America and 20% rest of the world. However, this increase is lower than 34% in the first quarter of 2023. In addition, due to 6% increase in the average advertising prices this quarter, the company is able to generate more revenue from the increased advertising display volume. As you can see, the graph is mentioned here, which is ad impressions delivered year on year percentage change. The changes worldwide: USA, Canada, Europe, Asia Pacific, rest of the world. This is the data given here. So let's talk about their future outlook. As you can see here from the future outlook, this is also a great plan for them. As you can see here, strengthened flagship applications. This is their future outlook of this Meta company. Meta is also the owner of Facebook. All right. So, despite growing concerns about Facebook's slowing growth, Meta has begun to focus on the future and strengthen its flagship application to protect its critical digital advertising revenue base. According to Piper Sandler's research, only 32% of the teenagers use Facebook every month, while Instagram and TikTok have usage rate of 80% and 72% respectively. Right, as you can see here, Meta's latest initiative targets more Generation Z, hoping to attract the majority of them to use the app at the expense of other emerging popular applications such as TikTok. In order to revive Facebook's prospects, Meta positions the network as a place where young adult users can connect with friends for shopping and keep up with the latest trends, just a click of a button. In addition, Meta plans to attract more Generation Z users to use Facebook and attract more video creators to join the network. The company has started improving its video work on Facebook, allowing users to create and share short videos. Yeah, as you have, maybe I think 99% of the people using Facebook. So from all over the ages, right? So they know better. Like you can create your reels now in the Facebook. So the Facebook is improving day by day. Like they are working on the artificial intelligence AI too much, right? To improve its more. So according to the Piper Sandler's research, only 32% of the teenagers use Facebook every month. All right. So while the Instagram and TikTok have user rates of 80% and 72% respectively. Yeah. So recently, people more often like they prefer Instagram and TikTok more because they have the short reels for a few seconds and it is very enjoyable. But for the Facebook, you can say that the teenagers they don't like much because Facebook there's long videos. Uh, that's why it's kind of boring for them. That's why they prefer Instagram and TikTok more than that of Facebook. All right. So let's talk about their other feature outlook. So they are working on the AI applications too much. For example, L Llama 3 language model. So they work on this one also. So the Meta has launched a breakthrough that may completely change the AI landscape. This model is recognized as one of the best AI assistants in the world and will serve as the foundation for developing various new AI models. With its vast social network data, Meta has now generated AI returns through various new models, including targeted advertising, which could significantly increase its advertising revenue. All right. So AI enhances the user experience as well. In addition, the Meta's AI functionality is not limited to advertising, but utilizing AI. Meta can enhance the user experience on Facebook and Instagram, especially in the Reels features. This strategic use of technology not only make the platform more attractive, but also the potential to attract more users. Therefore, personalized AI-driven content can keep users engaged. Therefore, by increasing their time on the application, all right? So AI tools to enhance its marketing activities, as we see here, all right? So, one of the reasons why various social networking applications under Meta platform can continue to grow is due to use of artificial intelligence. All right, sorry for that. So they have the daily active users, which are reaching around 3.24 billions in the first quarter of 2024. In returns, the company should attract leading advertisers who wish to leverage the vast user base and expand their revenue base. So it is worth noting that according to a study by Kaltura, 69% of the marketing departments plan to purchase AI tools to enhance their marketing activities. At present, the company has provided various AI solutions for marketers to help them reach the right audience and achieve better advertising investments returns. AI tools are one of the reasons why the revenue of the advantage plus shopping advantage plus the app campaign has doubled in the past quarters. In addition, Meta's AI development is helping market advertisers automate some of the processes involved in the process. Therefore, it is encouraging to see a significant increase in the use of AI electric centric solutions by marketers, which will continue to strong growth in advertising display frequency and revenue. All right. So this is how they are working on the AI tools. So let's talk about the technical and financial analysis of this company. All right. So as you can see here, let me drag this out. Let me put it somewhere. I think this would be fine. Okay. So yeah, this is the structure analysis weekly chart available in front of your screen. So this is the suggestion from our team which working on the stock market for years, and they have the experience for the stock market. All right. So this is the weekly chart and suggestion from our team. So from the weekly chart, it appears that it is still in the upward trend. It is going up. As you can see here, it's going up to the upward trend. So they mainly focus on high it can rise. All right, this is the main focus. The price can further go up, breaking out the pressure level of the channel. So this is the red lines here, as you can see, breaking through, and it is going upward and trend. This is all about the company of this weekly chart, a meta platform. The code in the stock market is META, meta. All right. So furthermore, you can text me on WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp, also there's a link available in the description. You may contact us, and our team will give you suggestions, also give you solutions, also give you something knowledgeable like what you want to learn, like how these weekly charts, daily charts working, what are the parameters, what are the candlestick charts, how to predict everything. We will explain in detail clearly, and this will be beneficial, right? So I would say you can contact us, and it is free of cost. There will be no charges, no hidden charges as well. All right. So this is the weekly chart we have learned today. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the through the WhatsApp, or the link also available for the WhatsApp, also in the comment section. If you have any questions like what are the parameters, how they work, and what are the candlestick charts as well, how to prediction, everything, you can ask us. Right. Let's read out this one as well. So let's talk about their financial condition, the financial analysis of this company. All right. So the Meta's revenue is the first quarter of 2024 increased by 27% year on year, reaching 36.46 billion US dollars, higher than analyst forecast of the 36.14 billion US dollars. So previously, the company reported that the average advertising price had increased by 6%, benefiting greatly. This growth marks the fastest expansion rate in other quarter since 2021, as Meta benefits from the active commercialization of its applications. Meta also benefits from the increasing integration of artificial intelligence into its flagship applications. For example, 30% of the Facebook posts use artificial intelligence driven recommendation system. As you see this, 30% of the Facebook uses AI, artificial intelligence, right? So in addition, Meta ensures that 50% of the content on its flagship photo sharing app, Instagram, is tailored to user need using artificial intelligence. This has increased the engagement of the Instagram and Facebook, enabling Meta to attract more advertising campaigns. Against Against the backdrop of the strong revenue growth, net profit more doubled to 12.37 billion US dollars or 4.71 dollars per share compared to 5.71 billion US dollars or 2.20 dollar per share in the same period last year 2023. All right. So the one catalyst for more than a doubling profit is a 16% decrease in sales and marketing cost in the quarter. So attributed to a reduction in restructuring cost and a decrease in professional services and marketing expenses. All right. So as you can see here, the institutional rating, we talk about this rating as well. So Meta has a good start this year. Continuing the momentum of the last year, the company has strategically integrated artificial intelligence into its applications, including Facebook and Instagram, greatly improving their user engagement and commercialization levels. Despite a 45% increase in the past 6 months of 2024, Meta still has the potential for further growth thanks to strong fundamentals and technical analysis. With impressive revenue growth and effective artificial intelligence driven advertising, it is believed that Meta's stock price may reach 655 US dollars by the end of 2024. So the Kinemic maintains overweight on Meta. Rise's price target is $540. All right. So this is the summary. We have talked today in detail about the achievement of this company. Is a Meta company, and the code, the NASDAQ code in the stock market is META, capital letter META. And it is also the founder. This is also belongs to Facebook, Instagram. This is the same company, all right, the same owner. And so the Meta announces the launch of AR, VR, as you can see in the photo, a social horizon word to all the Quest other markets. And the sales of the Meta Quest 3 headsets have been exposed, breaking the million marks. Smart glasses sales exceeded expectations. All right, this is we have talked earlier. So Meta has strengthened many AI applications in the later stage as well. So Meta still has huge upward potential, and some institutions predict that the stock price may reach $655 at the end of 2024. So this is the analyst prediction about this company, which is doing amazing. I would say doing great. And for the social media, they are the tycoons, the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then this Meta, the owner of this company, the Zuckerberg. So he is doing a great work and working on the AI, using the AI by the Facebook as well. So this is all about, we have talked about this company. The description is given in detail as well, is a short introduction of this summary. Right. So later on, I will upload two short videos, all right, as well, and also I will upload a reel which will be in Hindi language. The short videos will be in English as well. So this is all about today. We have learned the summary of this company, and I will upload two more videos as well, short videos. You can have a look in this through this channel, and also I will upload a reel in Hindi as well. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. It will be very beneficial and very useful for us. And thank you so much for your time. And this is all about. And also we have a QR code available in the previous photos of the WhatsApp. Also, the link in the description of the WhatsApp is also available. All right, so if you have any questions, you can ask us, you can contact us, and we will assist you. You have any question regarding to the stock market, regarding to the parameters, regarding to the assets, regarding to the shareholders, everything we will explain in detail for you. And you know what, it is 100% free, so it will be, there will be no charges available, low charges. So it is 100% free of cost. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you have liked the streaming. And furthermore, until now, goodbye and see you tomorrow.